Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I will share with you 3 things, practical organizer ideas to have in your kitchen. You guys know I love this space in my home. It's one of my favorite spaces, and anything that can keep me organized, I love it and would like to share those ideas with you. And maybe you can use some of these tips in your home as well. So we're just gonna jump right in. Now, organizer number 1, this is a pic or a footage of a video before I organized this drawer. I have a knife and cutting board drawer, and it was a hot mess. So I took a trip to IKEA and picked up this organizer for knives. I thought about this and I was like, this would be perfect for this drawer. I did purge some of my knives and only kept the ones that I needed most. And this is the drawer after, and I love it. I love having my knives and my cutting boards, everything I need in one drawer. Again, I did purge, and I'm in that purging spirit right now, only keeping the items that I truly love and will truly use in my home. I also have my electric knife to the left, as well as a knife sharpener in the back. So this is perfect. Organizer 2 is something you've seen before if you've been watching me, but I've purged a little in here also. I have combined all of my flatware and my entertainment pieces and utensils in this one drawer. One drawer, guys. Everything that I truly need is in this drawer. As you can see here, I have my can opener, tongs, ice cream scoop, salad servers, different things over here, my Pioneer Woman utensils. This is all I need right here in this organizer that expands that I picked up from Luvs. And I've had this for about 3 years now, and Luvs still have this organizer. And it's been working perfectly for me. Also at Luvs, they have the dividers, and this is just one. I think it comes in a set of 2 or 3. And I picked up this flatware organizer there also, and it works. In the back of this organizer, I do have steak knives back there. And everything that I need is in this one particular drawer, which is the left of my stove or my range area. Now, the last organizer that I will share with you is this drawer that has been a problem for me, but I have it under control now, and that is my kitchen towel drawer and my pot holders. This is a deep drawer, and at first this was a huge challenge for me. And right here I'm showing you all of my kitchen towels that I have in these clear bins that I picked up from Aldi. Alright, very inexpensively, but you can also go to Dollar Tree, which you will see this one in red, very inexpensively, and contain all of your kitchen towels. I love kitchen towels. I have many of them, and this was the best way to organize them all. If you would like to see more organizational videos, please in the comments section say, I want to see more. I have plenty to show you. I hope you can take some of these tips that I have shown and use them or utilize them in your own kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Love you guys.